Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Chen, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. I'm also a Microsoft Office specialist. Now, in my video 70, I want to answer one of the questions asked from a few months ago, and the system is completed. It's actually setting up a visual using Excel for booking system. So whenever there is a room booking request coming into the Microsoft Excel, so they want to have a visual look on the screen to show that there's a booking and which are the rooms available on the particular day. All right, so let's get into it. There's a lot of formula to look into and also conditioning formatting. So let's go to look at the example first that we're going to build. So this is how it looks like. And whenever we actually enter a new record into this, it will automatically just update this. So let's just say I temporarily move this one down. So let me just cut this off. I put it down here. So this one, I'll just put it up. So if you look at the data that I'm having here, they are basically based on whatever data that is available in the screen. So yeah, I think it's already including this because yeah, just to give you some idea. All right. So whenever we add on, we want to make sure that the data is inclusive of all those dates that is available. So whenever there are data add on, this is how it's going to look like. And now we will be able to know who actually booked it, which customer actually booked that particular room. And we have 10 different type of rooms here. So how are they going to build it? And the other thing that we're going to have here is, let's say if I have April, I don't have any April booking data here, but the moment I put this, see, everything goes back to 0. All the rooms are available in April. So the example data that I'm having is only for March. So when I click March, I will know which are the rooms has been taken and which are the rooms which are still vacant. So we're going to look into that. Okay. So for the start, we're just going to build the dates. So I'm going to break this particular system into a few videos. First, let's build the date. Okay, so let's build the date. I'm going to put the date here. So I'm going to put equals to date. So I need to know the year. So this is the year. I'm going to use something called today and open and close bracket. So that is for this year. The month, I'm going to use something called match. I'm going to use this P2 and I'm going to lock it. And I have a column called month already. Yeah? So I'm going to use the name called month, which is actually this in another worksheet, there is a column called month. Then, yeah, I'm going to look for the exact match in this case. So once I have that number will be the month, right? If March, it should be the 3 will be the month. Then we'll follow by the day. So for the day, it's a little bit tricky because I'm going to pull down every day here. So I'm going to use the function called rows of M6 to M6. Okay, so I'm going to ask them to lock the first M6. All right, so let me just close the bracket, enter, there you go. It's the 1st of March, and I'm going to pull all the way down until I see the 31st of March. So if I pull down further, I'll get 1st of April and so on. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. Now, what I need to do is also this is for March. So I'm only going to stop at March, 31st March. So what happened is in this formula, I'm going to make a copy of this, Control C. Then I'm going to add on an if. So I say if, let me find out the date, right? So comma, and I'll put there MMMM is equal to P2. Lock it. Then I'll just do the same formula. Otherwise, just leave it blank. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So let's see what happened. Nothing happened so far. I'm going to pull it on down. So whichever there's April will not be shown. Right? So this is going to be the date. And I want to know the day. So for this, I'm going to write a formula called equal to text. or whatever date that I have here, comma, and I'm going to show the day in 3 alphabets. So you see, 1st of March in 2023 is actually Wednesday. So I'm going to pull this one a little bit lower. Let it be empty. It's okay. Let it be empty because there's no formula there. So these are the one. So in this video, I'm going to show you these two formula first. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how can we put up all this formula here. And the third video will show you how to put in the conditional formatting on this. All right. So thank you for watching. I'm going to sign off now. Please remember to share and like my video. Right. This is video 70. And I hope you are learning something from this as well. So please share this to all your friends who need this solution as well. Ask them to follow my video 70, 71, and 72. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.